Hey, let's do a little Insteon hacking with Flipper.
So if you're not already aware, I am an Insteon user, and I have a whole bunch of these switches all over the place. And this one in particular is tasked with controlling my front hallway light. There is another switch over here that it is linked with that also controls this light. So they are set up in what is effectively a two-way, three-way configuration. The important thing here is that these two switches are linked. They understand that there's a relationship. That switch knows it should respond to this switch as well as the reverse. So, Insteon uses both signals over the power lines as well as 900 megahertz to communicate. Devices that are always powered, wired in, plugged in, operate as both a transmitter and receiver for both communications over the power lines as well as 900 megahertz simultaneously, and they all retransmit, so everyone is essentially a signal booster, if you will. But since they use 900 megahertz, Flipper is well equipped to deal with that, and we can go into the little capture tool on here. We'll choose 900 megahertz, FM476 for the modulation, and let's operate this switch while we capture. There's the message. We'll turn the light back on, and let's replay this message. And off the light goes. We'll do that again, just so you can see. It wasn't a coincidence, not a fluke. So we have captured the message from this switch and replayed it for that switch. So you'll notice that this switch is still on, and that's because we did not tell the switch to turn off. What we did is we mimicked a message from this switch saying that it was turned off, and the switch over there reacted to it. So, just a simple demonstration, proof of concept that you can do this. The CC1101 can transmit and probably receive Insteon signals, which leads me to an idea that may or may not involve an ESP32.